Okay, fine. New chapter, quadratic. Write the definition. Already you have seen quadratic polynomial in second chapter. Quadratic polynomial. Yes. Just they have replaced polynomial by equation. Okay. What is the difference between polynomial and equation? Let's say p of x equals to one quadratic equation, one quadratic polynomial is there, that is x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Here p of x, or you can say y. This is quadratic polynomial. You can put any value of x. You can put any value of x. Output. It is like here x act as input and y will be output. Okay, when I change this in place of y, which is equals to 0. Okay, here if you put any value of x which will not satisfy LHS equals to RHS. For example, put x equals to 1 here. 1 square here. Yes or no, beta? So what does it mean? For what value of x, RHS. For what value of two numbers. For putting x equals to 0, LHS becomes RHS. Now put equals to 3. 3 square, 3 5 two number, the equation roots. Or x values. Or in the equation. Only 2. Highest degree is 2. That's why you will get at one zero in the square. Okay, na? Which is equal to root, you should say plus or minus. Okay, this is a different aspect here. X minus 2 whole square equals to 0. A square. What it is? Quadratic equation. Solve this. you will get only one solution. Both are same. Both are same. You check it out. A into C, that is 4 beta. 2 to the 2 to the 4. Here you will write x common, that is x minus 2 minus x 2 common, that is x minus 2. Something you will get like this beta. You will get last definition. Definition of quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree whose degree is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. If p of x equals to 0, then it is called quadratic 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 equation. Quadratic equation. Example: 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. A should not be 0. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Standard form of quadratic equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers, and a should not be 0. What happens if a equals to 0? The polynomial becomes linear polynomial, or the equation becomes linear equation. Note it down fast. Always remember, the polynomial should be the decreasing order of the degrees. X square, then x last common. You have already studied how to solve quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. Yes or no? And method solving quadratic equation. Methods of solving quadratic equation. First method already you know what is that? Splitting splitting the, is that spelling right? SP splitting the by formulae by formula. And one more is that completing the what beta? How do you find x values? Add number ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿರಲ್ಲ how satisfy ಆಗ by formula. Okay, shall we start the exercise? And how this chapter arise? How this chapter arise? First of all, let's say in general, one room I want to build, and the breadth is the area, and I know the area. I don't know exact what is length and what is breadth, and quite common. What is the area of rectangle? Let's say this is one field. If it is L means this will be rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? L into B. What is L? 100. What is L? B equation. Until and unless I can't find B value. Yes or no? Say yes or no. Is this simple equation? No. Quadratic equation. Some methods are there to solve or to get the value of exercise. Exercise 4 point. What we score? Later we'll discuss. Exercise 4.1. Check whether the following quadratic equation. When can you say the equation is quadratic equation? In the highest degree too, then you can say that is quadratic equation. Out of 8 question, which one question shall I do? Listen, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus, further simplification. Now into x minus 2, x cube get cancelled. What left here? Minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to minus, right? I have multiplied this minus x inside. Okay, now take all the time minus x plus 1 minus 8, take the side, plus 8 equals to 0. Highest degree is 2, hence the 30. Next, the given equation is quadratic equation. Okay, they may yeah, or BCD, which one gives you quadratic equation? That is the option is right. Okay, note it down. Remaining all 7 questions are very good homework. You put in this. Fast better. Copy it or do it yourself. Done. Remaining questions are homework beta up to A to G. Those are homework. Try yourself. If you have any doubt, if you are not getting any answer, I will clarify you tomorrow. Now question number 2. Just they are asking represent the following situation, but we will find represent as well as we need to find the, we will find better. We will find x values. Done beta. Done. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. Just they are asking representation. Okay, but listen, beta. Area of rectangular part. Area of rectangular plot. How much? 528. First answer. Area is how much? Twice its breadth. Means length depends on what? Breadth. Okay. Length depends on breadth. Remember. Length of the plot is means equal to one more than. So write from left to right. One more than twice the breadth. Twice the breadth. We got a breadth of the plot using given condition. According to the question or according to the condition, you can write A equals to 528. 528. The plot is in the form of rectangular. So, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth equals to 528. What is length? 2b plus 1 into b equals to 528. B into b, 2b square plus b into 1, b plus 528. Take this side, which is equals to, here is the thing. Listen very carefully. A is 2 and B means here, don't confuse, here also B there. So B is 1. Yes, and it is very hard to find two numbers and which must satisfy when you multiply you will get that A and C. When you add or subtract you must get B value. Cumbersome. Yes or no, beta? Better use what? Formula. What is second? Not 6. We need to find the in the last chapter in pair of linear equation. We know. One question is there, but here you let us assume two consecutive numbers are assigned x plus 1. Remember, for consecutive numbers assigned x will get 2. 1 and 2 are consecutive. X are 306. According to the condition or question, x into x square, x into 1, x plus 306. Take this side, minus 306, which is equals to 0. Okay, just they are asking representation. When we studied about formula beta, we will complete this. Don't worry. Note it down. Third one, shall I do your third one? Last one, listen, third one. Rohan's mother, problem related to age. Present. Okay, na? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. We would like to find रोहन present age. एक बात याद रखो बेटा, थोड़ा आपको कंफ्यूज हो सकता हूँ, ये कंफ्यूज आप persons. One is Rohan, one is his mother. Okay, let Rohan's age be x years and his mother age be his mother age is or be y years. I'm taking x and y. You will end up with quadratic equation only. Okay, na? What's the first condition? Rohan's mother is 26 year older than him. Means his mother age is 26 year older than Rohan's age. Am I right? What is his mother age? Y equals to x plus 26. Call it as equation. Call it equation 1. Next. What is the next condition? The product of their ages after 3 years. First find out what will be the age 3 years. After 3 years, after 3 years, after 3 years, Rohan's age becomes x plus 3. Am I right? And his mother age becomes how much beta? Y plus 3 years. Rohan's age becomes x plus 3 and his mother age becomes y plus 3. Now what is the condition of in after 3 years? Their product of their ages will be 360. That is x plus 3 into y plus 3 equals to, now multiply x into y, x5. Next 3x. Next 3y plus 3 equals to 9. Equals to 360. Here we got y value, that is how much beta? X plus 26. Replace y by x plus 20. 9 equals to 360. Now x into x. This is 26x plus 3x plus 3x. How much? 26 into 3. This is x square as it is. Now add all x coefficients. 32 plus 32 x. No, first add them. 78 plus 9 is 87. Yes or no? 87. My is that 78 plus 9 minus 360. Fine. Always Note it down. Length and breadth. After then we will find all these things. Discriminate nature of fruits. From that, you will calculate XL. Later we will discuss. Don't worry.